Hurricane Lara has wreaked havoc in the United States, killing 6 people, injuring several and leaving thousands homeless, according to a report from the Louisiana Crime Mail. Collided with the coastal area. The winds, which were blowing at a speed of 220 kilometers per hour, destroyed everything in their path. People were killed. 2 bodies have been recovered from different places. More than 24 people have been hospitalized and thousands have been displaced. Hurricane Lara is heading for Arkansas after Louisiana, but its severity is low. Hurricane Lara fears of further damage.